Hello class, so this will be a brief just redo of what we went over this morning. So this is what we're going to be using now in lieu of reworks, and it's NewsELA. I just googled NewsELA. I'm doing it as if you're at home and you're navigating through the program. So you'll just Google it, look for it, and I'm signed in as Kylan right now. I'm going to log out and I want to show you how you would sign in. You would you would join now. You'll put I am a student. Am I joining a teacher's class? You're going to say yes. You're going to look for my class code. You're going to look for Edmodo for the information. It'll be the first pinned message at the top of the screen. I'm looking it up now. Bear with me. So if you are using Mrs. Matthews' homeroom, your login code will be P7RNZK. So it says you're joining Miss Matthews' class there. You're going to hit next. So sign up with Clever. If you know your Chromebook username and password, you're going to say sign up with Clever. That's your 200 number and your login password that you use for your Chromebook. It's normally a combination of capital numbers and letters. Put in your information. I'm going to use Kylan's again. Yes, I am Kylan. Do you share this computer? We'll say yes. Logs you in. So the last 7 days. So today the assignment is listed here. It was our Tuesday virtual lessons. Why the Earth needs the Amazon. This is what you will be doing today. We'll be reading through this information. You'll be answering those questions. Once you click on it, you can put view assignment. You'll read the article. My battery is going to die soon. You'll read the article. Once you're done reading the article, you'll click on activities. There's a quiz and there's a writing exercise. You're going to do both of those. Write a short paragraph that explains the central idea of this article. Use at least 2 details from the article. Very similar to our do now writing prompts. You'll give complete sentences, 5 to 7. High quality sentences. Make sure you have supporting evidence that you found in the article. Once you submit that, you can go ahead and do the quiz portion. Kylan's already started, so that was his score for that. This is all you are doing for NewsELA today. All right, any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out to me via Class Dojo, email, or Google Voice. Thanks, have a good day.